Hey friends, welcome to my channel Art Magic Kingdom, and today I'm going to teach you how to draw a Barbie. So all you need is a drawing sheet, sketch color and a pencil. Let's start drawing her eyes. So for that we are going to draw two circles, and inside that we will draw another circle and one smaller circle at the bottom of her eye, and then we are going to color the remaining part with black color. What's next? Now we are going to draw her little eyebrows. 3 from the left and 3 from the right, and a small curve for her nose. Next, to draw her face, we are going to draw a little U curve. And then we are going to draw her hair. For that, let's make a small S curve, touching the side of her face from one side, and then similarly from the small curve from the right side. We are going to complete her hair later. Let's focus on her body first. To draw her neck, we are going to draw two straight lines coming down from her face, and then we will draw her shoulder. So let's draw a diagonal line on the left side and the right side. And now we are going to draw her dress. For that, let's make a curve and another curve downward, and then two diagonal lines. Then we are going to join these lines. Now we will make her long gown. So let's draw a curvy line, similar line from the right side, and let's join these two lines with little curves, little bumpy curves like this. So her gown is ready. Next we will draw her arms by joining the waist from the shoulder, and a smaller line, smaller curve from inside so that it seems like her hands are at back. Next we are going to draw her boots. So let's draw two small rainbow curve, and finally hair. So for that, let's draw little curves all over her head and coming down till her waist. So you can pause the video and watch me doing this, and then follow me along. Exactly, so these are her long hair. And now our favorite part, it's time to color. So friends, our cute little Barbie is almost ready.
Wow!
Thank you for watching. Bye bye and take care.